Hey everyone, it's Sean and welcome to Invest with Fire. In this video, I want to take a look at the price action of Pirate Chain and just see where we're at with this altcoin right now. So recently, Pirate Chain has been slowly bleeding. We're at $2.48 right now. And Pirate Chain has been in a downward channel, just slowly trending downward. I did notice that recently we had a candle that closed outside this channel, which is not a good sign, but it's just an indicator, right? And these are all just indicators that we're using to figure out where Pirate Chain is trending. Also, I'm going to pull up the moving averages, the 50-day and the 200-day moving average. And Pirate Chain has also crossed this 200-day moving average. As you all may know, the 200-day moving average is a very strong, support and resistance line, and we have now crossed it. So I'm going to be watching for Pirate Chain while it moves along this 200-day moving average. There are other instances where we have passed this 200-day moving average and come back up from it. Looks like we had a hard bounce off this 200-day moving average, and that's when we had that incredible run where Pirate Chain hit like highs of like 13 and I think like $17. That was pretty incredible. Let's see what else. Pirate Chain may also have a future death cross depending on where the price moves. So this may happen in sometime in August if we're just projecting out and guessing, because this is what this really is. I'm just guessing right now. But I'm just looking at, what the money is telling me, what the charts are telling me, right? And this is all money that we can see that's moving along in this altcoin right now. So it looks like we may have a death cross in July 30th. So we'll see if that happens. There has been other instances where Pirate Chain has had death crosses and we've come out of them. I know the name is kind of scary. But it's just an indicator that shows where it's something bearish, right? Where the 50-day crosses the 200-day moving average. And like right here, this is where we had a death cross, but we came out of that just fine. And this is where we run out of data right here. So anyways, I just wanted to talk about that. If you thought that Pirate Chain was going to keep going up and up and up, I think that's a very short-sighted view. It's always important to remember what are the fundamentals, what is the point of this altcoin, and it's privacy. So in the future, when other cryptocurrencies are heavily taxed and regulated, when there's surveillance or coin analytic companies monitoring all the transactions, people are going to move to privacy coins. And that's the long-term view of this privacy coin. And that's the one I have. And so when that happens, more money is going to enter this altcoin and Monero. So it's always important to keep that in mind, especially in these bear markets, because it can be rough, right? It can be rough seeing that Pirate Chain hit highs of like, $15 and now it's just trending downwards. And looking at these trends, I mean, a good thing to know is that we also have been having lower highs, right? If I just take these 2 points, but it is just 2 points right here, and it looks like Pirate Chain may hit this and be around $1.30, right? So it's just important to note that too. But again, these are all just lines I'm just drawing out. Doesn't mean anything. We're going to wait and see where the market trades. As we all know, altcoins get hit harder, especially when Bitcoin goes down. So Bitcoin, we're kind of just trending, we're going sideways. Bitcoin is still in a bearish market right now. So it makes sense, right? We know altcoins bleed harder than Bitcoin. And I also want to point out, another long-term view or another cryptocurrency like Monero. Monero had a high of around $480 $500 and it had a low of $37. So that's the thing about investing in small altcoins, is that these things are very volatile, as we all know. And a couple Bitcoin can move the price of a pirate chain. And we all have to be aware of that. So, I see people freaking out a little bit about how pirate chain is slowly bleeding, but it's not just pirate chain. I mean, it's all altcoins too. And just like Monero, right? If you sold out here and sold out here, you would have missed out on these huge gains. And that's kind of the same thing with pirate chain too, where pirate chain had this huge pump and it's slowly kind of bleeding down too. But it's just not pirate chain. It's all altcoins too. So, that's it, everyone. I kind of want to just talk about where the price action of pirate chain is going at. Don't freak out. This is investing. We're in a bear market. Bitcoin is getting hit. This is nothing unusual. So, and just remember, what is the point of pirate chain and privacy and the long-term view of that. So that's it, everyone. I hope you all have a great day. Take care, and I will see you later. Bye.